Hi guys, today in this tutorial I'm going to tell you how you can cancel your use motion subscription. So all official steps you can see on your screen. So let's get started.
Method 1 for individual plans. Log into your Motion account. Visit app.usemotion.com on a desktop or laptop computer. Go to your settings by clicking on the gear icon in the top left-hand corner. Click Manage Plan, then choose Cancel Plan. Select Continue. Enter a cancellation reason, my work won't let me use Motion, and proceed by clicking Continue. Confirm cancellation, click Cancel Subscription to finalize. And you are done. Method 2. For team plans, only available for team admins. Log into your admin account by visiting app.usemotion.com. Go to Settings by clicking on the gear icon in the top left-hand corner. Access Team Billing, select Billing. Manage your plan, click Manage Plan. Initiate cancellation, click Cancel Plan and provide a reason to complete the process. And you are done. Method 3. Cancelling a plan from your account billing page. To visit the account billing, navigate to usemotion.com/account on a desktop, laptop or mobile device. Select Billing. Choose the option titled Individual Subscribers, change payment method, cancel the subscription, view invoices. On the subscription page, select the option to cancel plan. And you are done.
Dear friends, by using this method you can easily cancel your use motion subscription. So if you have any questions you can make a comment. I will reply you very soon, and thanks for watching this video. Bye bye.